Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas, everybody who watch me. Merry Christmas to everybody who don't watch me. You understand me? This is our throwback to you guys. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, and I bought the video on Christmas.
Yes, sir. How many gifts did you get? Santa gifts. How many gifts did you get?
Like 10.
Present. See, he got most of the gifts in the house, yo. Yes, sir. Merry Christmas, bro. Okay, we on the way gonna do a little errands right now, but we finna have some fun for you guys in a bit. It's not a full vlog, trust me, but you guys gonna damn the lighting. It's not a full vlog, trust me, but you guys gonna enjoy it anyways, okay? Merry Christmas. Ho ho ho. Is that all say it then?
Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas.
No, you don't have the Santa laugh, bro. You don't got it.
Ho ho ho.
Merry Christmas. People, everybody come out, like everyone is out in their hand,
Ho ho
in their
ho. Merry Christmas.
what they having on, like
Merry Christmas.
what are these called, Aiden?
All a good night.
What are these called? What are we in right now? Let them see your
Green.
Santa your Christmas pajamas. Well, anyways, everyone's coming out in their pajamas and thing. I didn't think about it when I was in the car first. Anyways, let's go.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish